Welcome to AI Video Training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a studio quality video in AI Video. Go to the left menu and click on AI Video Creator and AI Video Bot will be open. Now choose the desired category in which you want to create your video. Enter the desired keyword on which you want to create a video. Now choose desired orientation. And your desired studio quality video will be open in our exclusive editor. You can customize your video according to your choice. You can see all the editing tools in the header section. You can add text to your video. You can also change font style, font size, and font color according to your choice. You can upload files from your local by upload option. You can also search and use images according to your desired keyword and can use it for your video. You can also create high-quality AI-powered content by using the AI content option. You can also create high-quality AI-powered graphics by using the AI graphics option. You can also add emojis, stickers, or avatars to your video if you want. You can also set your per frame duration according to your choice. Make sure to save every slide before proceeding to the next slide. Click on Export and your high-quality video is ready. You can add music to your video if you want. You can manage your video in the Manage Video section. You can view. Download. Edit. Or delete your video. Share. Thanks for watching the video.